Don't talk too much about yourself to all your friends. Don't tell your secret to anyone, even your friend. Don't tell your mistake or sins to others. Don't trust others too much because that too much can hurt you so much. There will be a time when that person will use your secret against you or reveal your secret to the others. When you fight or argue with others, he will reveal all your secrets to the others to make you look bad in the eyes of the people. Not everyone around you is a true friend. Some of them are two faces. It's better to keep your secrets to yourself and Allah. هل لك سر عند الله? Do you have a secret with Allah? بينك أنت وبين الله. That is just between you and Allah. And indeed, Allah is a secret keeper.